The new 2024 Acura Integra Premium Sport will make the model more attractive, given that many feel a little chance that the standard car uses the Civic model as its basis. Acura revived the Integra nameplate for the 2023 model year. We expect the 2024 Acura Integra to be a carryover model. Spec. It has significant performance improvements over the standard 2024 Acura Integra, thanks to changes such as a reinforced chassis, reduced weight, as well as a greater power, and the rev limiter is now set at 8,600 rpm. The car will be highly recognized by automotive journalists around the world. Interior. 2024 Acura Integra currently comes with a 7-inch touchscreen, a 10.0-inch digital instrument cluster, 8 audio speakers, Bluetooth, a USB port, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. 2024 Acura Integra release date and price. Our speculation 2024 Acura Integra will be coming to the showroom next summer. As for the price, we expect the 2024 Acura Integra to range from $31,895 to $36,895.